at some common reasons why your previously running JT0300 or ST0300 stopped working. If the machine just won't start, the most common problem would be the door switches. They're located back here. First, you're going to want to make sure this piece is actually making contact with the switch and not bent back in. If it is and it's still not starting, you can pull the panel off and then check the back of the switch for continuity. After that, if it's not starting on one pocket but it is the other, try swapping the two computers and see if that switches which pocket will start. If the machine starts but it's not heating, the most common problem would be the airflow switch located back here. Check and make sure that when it starts it's actually pulling this flap shut. If it's not pulling the flap shut, it's not getting enough airflow, and you probably have a blockage either in here or in your ductwork. If this is pulling shut and still not heating, check the switch for continuity, make sure that's working properly. After that, you've got two thermistors, one located here. Pull a wire off, check for continuity, make sure you're getting 0 ohms. If you're getting more than that, replace it. Do the same thing with the thermistor up here. After that, you can make sure that when you hit start and the drums start turning, that you're getting correct voltage at the gas valve. They're all rated. This one's 24 volts, most of them are. Make sure you're actually getting 24 volts at these two wires here. You should see a buzzing out of the igniter through that hole when it's working. If you're not getting that, you can try swapping out the igniter box here or the igniter itself. The machine's starting, but it's just not spinning. Like you hear a click and nothing else happens. You're going to want to check the belts. You have to pull this cover off here, 2 screws, and you can reach right in there and feel the belt. If it's no longer attached, you'll have to replace that. That's a whole separate video. Beyond that, you can try replacing this relay here. Just swap it top and bottom, see if that moves the problem. If that's not it, you're probably down to the motor itself being defective. Those are the most common problems with this model.